Yost. I'm the gifted support teacher at the elementary level at Bethel Park School District, and I'm here with Firek today. She is the
gifted coordinator at the high school. And we're at the high school actually, and we have these elementary kiddos coming to the high school, so they're so excited to have lunch. I can't wait to show them the cafeteria. But before then,
they worked through CS Academy through Carnegie Mellon University, the coding program using Python, and they earned their way to come up here today to be mentored by the high school students and have some new partnerships going on.
so what's kind of fun is that my high school kiddos are in the intro class, but not the Python class. They're in the Java class. So it's a good way for them to look at applying the algorithmic thought of programming without the language restrictions. So we're all running into a couple of hiccups, I know, right? It is two-way learning. So it's really great.